Hello everyone and welcome back to TheHPlants, a channel for every plant lover. In this video, we will talk about the reasons behind snake plant wrinkling leaves and how to overcome and prevent this problem. Snake plant or Sansevieria is known to be a resistant and die-hard plant. However, in poor keeping conditions, problems such as wrinkling leaves will occur. When this problem happens, it shows a significant problem that requires a rapid checking and overcoming. Exposing a snake plant to the direct sunlight can be the first reason for its leaves wrinkling. Exposing a snake plant to direct sunlight can lead to wrinkling leaves due to excessive water loss. To solve this problem, you should increase watering frequency and move the plant to a shaded area, especially during the middays. If you keep the snake plant inside, it's recommended to put it at least 1 or 2 meters away from the windows or use curtains to filter the light. The second reason for this problem can be overwatering. When you overwater a plant, its root will rot and prevent it from absorbing nutrients unnecessary. When you overwater a plant, your plant will face root rots and this will prevent it from absorbing nutrients and water, so the leaves will start wrinkling. Poor drainage can also cause this problem, as it will create waterlogged soil, preventing oxygen and necessary nutrients to reach the plants. Eventually, the plant's leaf will start wrinkling. To solve this problem, stop watering the snake plant for a while, and whenever 1 or 2 inches of the soil gets dry, then you should start watering. And also make sure about the drainage hole on the pot. Third reason is underwatering a snake plant. When you do not water a snake plant adequately or water it in long intervals, this will lead to lack of water reaching the plants and leading to leaves getting wrinkled. To overcome this problem, first of all, check the soil and see if it is dry or not. Start watering the plant thoroughly and make sure all the areas in the pot gets wet, and stop watering when the water drains from the bottom of the pot, so that you make sure all the roots absorb water. In case of severe problem, place the plant in pan of water to allow it to absorb moisture. When temperature increases, the snake plant might experience increased evaporation, leading to stress and leaves wrinkling. To solve these problems, you can use methods such as creating pebble tray or using cold mist humidifier. Also, prevent placing the snake plant near heating or cooling devices, as the temperature change can cause the same problem. The snake plant leaves may start wrinkling due to shock or stresses. This usually happens when you move the snake plant to a new place, so it's important to let the plants gradually adjust itself to the new conditions. The last reason for snake plant wrinkling leaves is improper fertilizations. When you incorrectly fertilize snake plant or any other plants, different problems such as wrinkling leaves will happen. To solve these problems, it is recommended to use the balanced fertilizers and avoid using ones that are high in nitrogens. When you realize that the reason for your snake plant wrinkling leaves is over-fertilizations, immediately stop fertilizing it and you can consider changing the soil. Alright guys, in this video we talked about snake plant wrinkling leaves, its common causes, and how to prevent and overcome this problem. Make sure to check our website to read different articles related to snake plant care condition and all houseplant problems. If you have any question or any experience regarding snake plant wrinkling leaves, please share them in the comment sections and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.